I have a very painful pimple-like bump on my butt. It really hurts, especially when I put any pressure on it, sitting down, lying down, etc. It is very large and I would like to know what is causing it and how to fix it. I have a picture of it as well in case that helps. http://idodenver.com/dpcfsxg.jpg?1.
Hello and thank you for your question. Your painful bump is what is known as a furuncle. This is deep bacterial infection of the hair follicle and is caused by bacteria such as staph. What happens is the heat and humidity in the buttocks/groins or similar areas compromises the normal defense of the skin, making it prone to infection with the said bacteria. This results in inflammation and swelling of the hair follicle, thereby producing severe pain. The best treatment for this is a short course of oral antibiotics, e.g. cefadroxil 500 mg twice a day for 5 days, along with 2% mupirocin cream twice a day on the affected area for 7 days. Your doctor would need to prescribe these for you. If you cannot see a doctor, then wash with an antibacterial soap such as Dial and then apply bacitracin ointment on the affected area. Do this twice a day. Orally take tablet Advil 400 mg twice a day, after meals, and use a hot water bottle for applying some heat to the area. Hot fomentation, this can provide some pain relief. All of these are available over the counter without a prescription. Do not pick or squeeze the bump. If you feel better in 3 days or so, then continue the regimen for 7 to 10 days and that should resolve the problem. If not, then you need to see your doctor for the prescription meds. Please feel free to ask if you have any queries.
This feels different from a boil/furuncle. I have had many boils in my pubic area and they popped with relative ease as compared to this one, which I will not try to squeeze anymore as per your advice. Is it normal for boils in the buttock area to hurt much more than those in the pubic area? Also, this one is much bigger. Is this typical of a furuncle on the buttock?
It is. Furuncles can look different depending on where they are located. Superficial boils are called folliculitis and these pop easily. Your lesion is typical of a furuncle.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit JustAnswer.com/ythealth.